Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the iPhone and Apple Watch share the same Apple ID and have Bluetooth active. This enables secure pairing. Once done, put the watch on your wrist so sensors register it, then open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. Make sure the watch face is visible to the iPhone camera. Align the watch in the animated viewfinder until a confirmation appears. If the camera can't recognize the pattern, choose Manual Setup and follow the on-screen code entry steps to continue. You need a watch passcode before enabling unlock with Face ID. This protects wrist data and allows authentication handoffs. After pairing, the watch app prompts you to create a passcode. Choose one you remember. Once set, make sure Face ID is active on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and confirm Face ID works for iPhone unlocking. Then enable the option that allows your Apple Watch to unlock your iPhone. This links facial recognition. You finish by testing the flow. Wear the watch, raise the iPhone, and look at the screen. The watch should tap your wrist while the iPhone unlocks. If that fails, make sure Bluetooth is on, the watch detects wrist presence, the watch passcode is set, and both devices run current software. These are common causes. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud, restart both devices, and as a last resort, unpair and repair the watch. This clears pairing glitches while preserving backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.